Diving right into the heart of the matter, the ASUS Prime X670-P is a well-rounded motherboard that offers a balanced blend of features for gamers and content creators alike. Now, this motherboard doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of the premium next-gen boards, but it does pack a punch where it counts. The Prime X670-P is a standard X670 offering that comes with a few PCIe lane compromises. But unless you're looking for more than one PCIe Gen 5 lane, this won't be a deal breaker. The real game changer here is the price. With a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $299, it's a much more attractive entry point for this next generation chipset. Now let's talk specs. The Prime X670-P comes with 10 USB ports, 3 M2 slots, and support for DDR5 and AMD's fastest CPUs. It's a minimalist design with a focused feature set, and it's got a lot to offer, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The motherboard does have a few drawbacks. For starters, there's no integrated I/O shield, which is a feature we'd like to see on all motherboards. The lower M2 slots do not have a heatsink available to them, so you'll have to provide your own. And while the USB port selection is good with 10 available ports, you don't get USB 4 at this price level. But let's not lose sight of the big picture. The ASUS Prime X670-P is a competent motherboard that provides enough features to satisfy most users without a steep price premium. It's a great option for low to mid-level builds, and for most users, it'll pair perfectly fine with a mid-range Ryzen 7000 CPU. The design is sleek and minimal, with lots of silver-centric design elements and black lettering. It's an attractive offering that will look great in any build from gaming PCs to workstations. Performance-wise, with a VRM of 12 plus 2 DR MOS packing 60 amps plus a 6-layer PCB, even the Ryzen 9 7950X will do fine here. It's not primarily meant for hardcore overclocking, but if you do want to tinker, the ASUS BIOS has always been a pleasure to use and remains so here. In conclusion, the ASUS Prime X670-P Wi-Fi gives users a balanced motherboard for under $300, while offering the benefits of the new X670 chipset. It's a competent motherboard that provides enough features to satisfy most users without a steep price premium. So if you're stepping into AMD's AM5 Ryzen 7000 CPUs, the ASUS Prime X670-P is a solid choice to consider. To sum up, what I like is the great build quality, the affordable price point for an X670 motherboard, the good connectivity options with a 3 M2 slots and a total of 10 USB ports, and it supports PCIe 5.0. On the downside, there's no USB 4 support, limited to one PCIe Gen 5 lane, and it's not ideal for overclocking. So what do you think? Is this the best motherboard for you, or do you think another board is better? Check another video where we reviewed the best X670 motherboards and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.